This is Let Us Eat. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a budget-friendly, frugal lunch from the pantry to your lunch bag. I like to bring you these videos to cut the guesswork out for you, so you know exactly what to give your lunch, depending on your child's taste and allergies. These lunches are friendly and inexpensive, easy to do. If your school has a microwave, that is a big changer. Have your child ask your school faculty. Our school district does for the kids in high school, and it is a game changer for lunches. Before we get started, don't forget to smash on that subscribe word, tap on that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. What my kids have for lunch today: for Isabel, an Uncrustable, chocolate chip cookies, a juice bag, bottled water, applesauce. This is no sugar added strawberry applesauce. A little baggie of Doritos. For my tween, Jacqueline, some honey shooters, which is just like the Honey Nut Cheerios, and bottled water. Jacqueline's not much of a fan of juice. Baggie of Doritos, her favorite. Some soft batch chocolate chip cookies. And an Uncrustable. When my other kids up, I will get the teens lunch bag and have them put it in there. I always start by putting in the heaviest. I'll put the scooters in. They can get milk in the cafeteria if they want milk in it. The Uncrustable. I put the loose bags on the top so they don't get crushed. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out two $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subbies, one for people who comment. If you're new, make sure you say hi. You have to be a U.S. resident and subscribed. If you comment all the time, you have to be a U.S. resident and subscribed. If you won in the past 6 days, you're not qualified. It is that easy. When we get 16 more subscribers, we're going to issue out one 5-item surprise pack. Same rules apply. All of this information is always in my description box down below, with lots of useful links and shout outs. So go over to Mama 4 Boys and make sure you subscribe and give her some lovin'. Great family, similar channel. This is what my kids have for lunch. Really easy lunch ideas, straight from the pantry to the lunch bag. Frugal, budget friendly ideas for you, so you don't have to struggle with what to give them in the morning. Always check to see if your school has a microwave, because that is a game changer. They'll probably have a hot lunch again on Monday, because it's going to be in the 20s. We just had a 70-degree day like a week ago, and it's going to be in the 20s. New York is nuts. This is a great way to get everything together, and you can save money by not having to buy the school lunches, because not all the schools are free for lunches. Some you have to pay, and some can be kind of expensive. Before we go, smash on that subscribe word, tap on that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please share me to social media.